I think, we've got 4 big games coming up, and, we're into our 20th week now of training. So, I think you'll see over the next couple of weeks that as players, from a sports science perspective, we get a lot of good numbers around when we're tracking players and how they're tracking at training, and when they're doing their high speed meters, and those players that are struggling to keep up their high speed meters as an indication that they're starting to fatigue. And we'll be sort of looking at those players now. It's that time of year, and we're looking at those players that probably need to have a bit of a breather over the next 2 or 3 weeks, so that we can have a really good run home with a fully fit squad, because it's a big super season, and we're not going to get 15 or 16 hard games in a row from all our players. So over the next few weeks, as we build up towards our run home, we'll make sure that we sharpen everybody up again, and we make sure that none of our players fall off the cliff, so to speak.